All right, so here we go. We're going to talk about millions today. So we're just moving over one more place value, and after we cross over to the other side of that next comma, we're going to say millions. So again, it's ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then millions. And so as we talked before, every time that we said thousand, we put a comma. Now every time we say million, we're going to put a comma, move over, say 1,000s, put a comma. So let's try that. All right, look at this guy here. He has a number in his cloud. I want you to think how you would say that number. All right, and I'm going to give you the word form. We say 7 million because we hit a comma. 439,000, we hit another comma. 512. Okay. Then we're going to move on, and I want you to read this number that's in the yellow. Think. 9,056,123. So when we say million, we see a comma. When we say thousand, we see a comma. Come over here to the red. I want you to try to think. And here's how we would say it. 2,498,356. So we're going to go through a list of numbers again. I'm going to pause in between each one of them so that you can think to yourself as I say it out loud. So the first one, 3,450,201. 5,389,008. 2,098,314. 6,356,022. All right, so this video is going to be a little bit different. I want you guys to stop here and do the first worksheet in the module. What that worksheet's going to do is it's going to take some numbers and it's going to have you put them into word form. Don't worry about your spelling right now. I just want to make sure that you can say those and the answers are there. So what I want you to do is pause this video and complete that first worksheet. So it's going to take number form and it wants you to read them, write them into word form. Okay, so come back to me whenever you're finished with that, start the video over again, and we're going to talk about it the opposite way. All right, so now we're going to read numbers. So if you didn't pause and you just want to go through this whole video together, and that's okay too, then do both of the worksheets down at the bottom. So now we're going to talk about these numbers in written form, and we're going to put them into actual numbers. So here is it written with words. 1,042,562. Now remember, when you see million, you put a comma. When you see thousand, you put a comma. So here's how that would look. 1 million, and then we have 42,562. Now let me read you the one in the red. 7,314,005. So remember, you're going to put a million, comma, thousand, comma, then write the rest of the number. Here's how that would look. So we have 7,314,005. That 5 might have been a little tricky, but you always have to remember, after you see the word thousand, you just write the number. And so the 5 can't be in the tens place. The 5 can't be in the hundreds place. That 5 is all by himself in the ones place. Last but not least, 6,422,912. And that's how that guy would look. 6,422,912. All right, guys. So now we have just a couple more that I wrote in both forms. So I want you to read them in the word form or in the number form as I say them out loud. So the first one is 1,032,055. Then we have 6,503,091. 7,124,008. And then the last one, 5,076,422. Now you should be really good at this, writing it in word form and in standard written number form. So, and I know there's going to probably be some things that you can't spell, and that's okay. I just want you to be able to read them. All right, so now there's another worksheet linked below to do some practice with taking the words and putting them into a number. So if you didn't get a chance to do the first worksheet, then you can just do them both right now, and they both have answer keys to them. So I hope that you do a good job. Try the best that you can. Remember, if you need to come back to the video, you can see the place values. All right, good luck.